All right, so just a reminder of the different pieces. We have b, our base, and that becomes the base of the exponential. We have our exponent, because a log is an exponent, and that's part of my exponential. And then the solution is what my exponential is equal to. So just a reminder how to go from log to exponential. Now we're going to work our way backwards and go from exponential to log. And just remember, a log is an exponent. So what the log is equal to is the exponent. All right, so I know I need log base b of a equals x. So I see here 14 is my base. So log base 14. And remember that a log is an exponent, and the solution goes here. So log base 14 of 196, so of what the solution is the exponent. And now I've written an exponential as a log. So let's try example 9 together just to make sure that we're understanding. So it's going to be log base, 3 is my base, because it's the base of the exponential equation. I know that a log is an exponent, so my exponent is what it's equal to, and my solution goes here. All right, go ahead and pause the video, and I'd like you to finish these examples and see how you do. All right, so look this over and see how you did. I want to point out that on this one, you probably put log base e, but remember we can also do the natural log. Either one of those are acceptable. And over here, remember if it's a 10, we don't actually have to write it, but either one of those are acceptable. If you feel pretty confident with that, go ahead and try these challenge problems and see how you do. Show me when you're done.